Very good morning, students. Class 10th Mathematics, chapter number first, real number. We are going with the exercise number 1.2 based on concept of factor. Factor, that means a prime factorization method. ठीक है, I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a representative of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. Students, in the previous videos, we study Euclid division lemma. We study Euclid division lemma, that means study about the HCF, highest common factor. In this exercise, we also study about the LCM and HCF, but by the use of the prime factorization method. So ठीक है, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, ठीक है, हाउ वर्क प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, ठीक है, देखते हैं. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट 140, ठीक है, डिजिट इज देयर 140, ठीक है, एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड एंड एलसीएम मेथड बोथ आर लिटिल बिट सिमिलर. ठीक है, व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एलसीएम मेथड एंड प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, जस्ट अबाउट द ऑर्डर. ठीक है, नाउ वी गेटिंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट in the form of the 140. ठीक है, we taking prime factorization of 140. what is the mean of the prime factorization? That means start with the smallest number, that means last digit of 140 in the form of the 0. what is the mean of the 0? that means take it divisible by 2. ठीक है, 2 7 जा 14, 0, ठीक है, 2 3 जा 6, carry, how much carry will be there? 1 will be equal of the 0, that means 10, 2 5 are 10. now the last digit of the 35 in the form of the 5. what is the mean? take a proper message by the 5, that means divisible by the 5. 5 7 ja 35, ठीक है, लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ द 7 इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द 7 डिवाइड बाय द 7, 7 1 जा 7. सो ठीक है, मे बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द 140 इन द फॉर्म 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, 2 and 2, exponent form 2 times 2, that means 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. correct answer for the first question, ठीक है, 140, that is the prime factorization method. we getting the another example in the form of the 156. what about the 156? ठीक है, व्हाट इज द बेसिक रूल ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड? फर्स्ट रूल, ठीक है, फोकस ऑन द यूनिट प्लेस वैल्यू, दैट मीन्स लास्ट डिजिट. वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द लास्ट डिजिट. व्हाट इज द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? 156, दैट मीन्स 6. what is the mean of the 6? 6 is a even number, that means divide by 2. 2 7 ja 14, how much remainder? 1. ठीक है, 1 मेकिंग 16, 2 8 जा 16, लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ द 78, दैट मीन्स 2 डिविजिबल बाय 2. ठीक है, 2 3 जा 6, ठीक है, 1 and 8 मेकिंग 18, 9, ठीक है, 3 and 9 both are the divisible factor by the 3. so we taking another number 3 1 ja 3 and 3 जा 9. ठीक है, 13 is a prime number. what is the mean of the prime number? prime number, a number which cannot divide by the another number from the one and itself. so we getting the 13 1 ja 13. so 156 will be equivalent of 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. again we write, ठीक है, in the prime factorization method 2 how much times? 2 times, that means 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 13. I hope you understand both questions. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, ठीक है, एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट 140, आंसर 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सेकेंड 156 will be equivalent of 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 13. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर. Second, exercise number 1.2, the demand of question, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers. you know that the mean of the integers, and verify that LCM into HCF will be equal of product of two numbers. ठीक है, expression is there 26 and 91 according to the situation of question, basically 2. two basic things are there. First one, find the value of the LCM and HCF, and second one is the verification. So ठीक है, solution is here. ठीक है, given numbers are 26 and 91. Students, in this question we have to find out the value of the LCM and HCF. We use prime factorization method for the factor of 26 and 91. 26, what is the mean of the 26? The last digit of 26 is 6. That means even number. What is the characteristic of even number? Divisible by 2. That means 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. Now we have number 13. What is the mean of the 13? 13 is a prime number. What is the mean of the prime number? That means a prime number divide by itself. 13 1 ja 13. So we can write 26 will be equal of 2 into 13. Next, 91. ठीक है, I repeat my sentence, 91. Students, what is the mean of the 91? 91, a number which end with the 1, that means cannot divide by 2. So we use the 13. What is the mean of the 13? 13 1 ja 13, 13 7 ja 91. Cross check कर लेते हैं. 7 3 ja 21, carry 2, 7 1 ja 7 and 2. That means a 13 into 7 will be equal of 91. Now ठीक है, 7. What is the mean of the 7? 7 again a prime number. That means a 7 1 times 7. We can write 91 equal to 13 into 7 and 7 into 13. ठीक है, prime factorization. In the case of the prime factorization, we use the smaller number first position. ठीक है, as compared to larger number. ठीक है, in the case of the 26 and 91, we getting the factors 2 into 13 and 7 into 13. So now 26 equal to 2 into 13 and 91 equal to 7 into 13. What about the HCF? What about the HCF? Highest common factor, a number which introduced by the all parts are known as HCF. So HCF will be equal of 13. I hope. ठीक है, now LCM. What is the mean of the LCM? LCM, that means a HCF into remaining part. What is the mean of the remaining part? That means a 2 and 7. 2 and 7. 13 into 14. 13 into 14. Now what is the mean of the 13 into 14? ठीक है, 130 plus ठीक है 52. 281. That means a 182. So ठीक है, what HCF? HCF will be equal of 13 and LCM will be equal of 182. ठीक है, that is the first part of given question. Now ठीक है, second part known as the verification. What is the mean of the verification? Verification, that means a application. Verification, that means a application of Euclid division lemma. ठीक है, first number product, second number equal to LCM into HCF. Students, focus on the question. LCM, what is the mean of the LCM? LCM will be equivalent of 182. And what is the mean of HCF? HCF will be equal of 13. First number, what is the mean of the first number? First number will be equal of 26 and 91. 26 into 91. Multiply. will be equal of 2366. ठीक है, also multiply 182 into 13 will be equal of 2366. The statement LHS and RHS both are equal. That is the verification part of given question. Student, there is the question number 3 of the exercise number 1.2. ठीक है, what is the demand of the question? Find the LCM and HCF of the following integer by applying the prime factorization method. That means a demand of question ठीक है, LCM एंड HCF कंडीशन इज देयर prime factorization method between the three numbers. Sir, what is the basic difference between the question number second and question number third? In the case of the question number second, we use the two numbers. In the case of the two numbers, verification is allowed, but in the case of three numbers, verification is not allowed. Okay, so there is, we have to find out the value of the LCM and HCF among the three numbers. So solution is there. Okay, what about 12, what about 15, what about 21 by use of the prime factorization method. ठीक है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड दैट मीन्स अ स्टेप वाइज सॉल्यूशन, स्टेप वाइज सॉल्यूशन एज अ एलसीएम मेथड. ठीक है, द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ द 12 आर नोन एज द 2. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द 2? 2 is a even number, that means a divisible by 2. So we taking 2, 2 6 are 12. 6 is also a even number. 2 3 times. 3 is a prime number, so divide by 3. 3 1 ja 3. So we can write 12 in the form of 2 into 2 into 3. What about the 15? 15, what is the mean of the 15? Last digit of the 15 is the 5. But 15 is a odd number, may be divided by the 3, may be divided by 5. But 3 is the smaller quantity as compared to 5. So we choose firstly 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, what about the 15? Will be equal of 3 into 5. Next number 21. 21 also a odd number. Odd number may be divided by odd number, so we choose 3 as compared to 3 7 ja 21. 7. What about the 7? 7 is a prime number. 7 1 times 7. What about 21? 21 will be equal of 3 into 7. Now we have to find out the value of LCM and HCF. So ठीक है, राइट 12 विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 2 into 2 into 3 and 15 will be equal of 3 into 5 and 21 will be equal of 3 into 17. Firstly, we have to find out the value of HCF. What is the mean of the HCF? HCF, that means a common number between the both factors. ठीक है, in the case of the three factor series, 3 and 3, that means a 3 a number which commonly exists between the all factors, so HCF will be equal of 3. Now LCM, what is the mean of the LCM? That means a lowest common multiple. That means firstly taking the HCF, then a remaining part of first factor will be equal of 2 to the power 2. A remaining part of second factor known as the 5, and finally 7. 3 into 4 into 5 into 7. 3 4s will be equal of 12 and 5 7s will be equal of 35. 12 into 35, that means a 35 2 ja 35 2 ja will be equal of 700 into 130 will be equal of 420. 420 lucky number of students. ठीक है, I hope you understand this question. Student, there is the question number 4th of the exercise number 1.2. ठीक है, in the previous classes we have studied question number 1st, question number 2nd and question number 3rd. ठीक है, what is the basic difference between the question number 1 to 3 and question number 4th? In the case of the question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, we have to find out the value of HCF and LCF by use of the prime factorization method. But in the case of the question number 4th, we have to find out the value of LCM by the use of HCF by the use of the application of the Euclid division lemma. So students, ठीक है, we have solution. Given HCF will be equal between the number 306 and 657 will be equal of 9, such that we can write first number 306 and second number will be equal of 657 by the use of the application of Euclid division lemma. What is the mean of the Euclid division lemma? That means a division method to find out the value of the HCF. ठीक है, बाय यूज ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा we can write HCF into LCM will be equal of product of numbers, such that what is the meaning of the HCF? According to the given question, HCF will be equal of 9. LCM, we have to find out the value of LCM. The product of numbers, first number will be equal of 306 and second number will be equal of 657. Now LCM, we have to find out the value of LCM. 306 into 657. In the case of the LHS, 9 will be the multiple of the LCM. 9 transfer from LHS to RHS in the form of the denominator. LCM will be equal of 9 3 ja 27, 3 and 36, that means 9 4 ja 36, 34 into 657. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, the simple multiplication between the 34 and 657 will be equal of 22338. Already I done in the rough, so LCM will be equal of 22338. Student, I hope you understand the both questions, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thank you so much. Student, question number 6, the last question of the exercise number 1.2, explain. That means we need explanation of this question. Explain why, that means a question mark. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 into 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. We know what is the proper definition of the composite number. Basically, number categorized between the prime number and composite number. Prime number, a number which cannot be divided by another number, are known as prime number. But in the case of the composite number, a number which consists more than 2 factors. I repeat, a number which consists more than 2 factors are known as composite number. ठीक है, now students, ठीक है, in the question we have 2 parts. Firstly, given that 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, we have to prove composite number. Given expression is composite number, that means number consists more than 2 factors. Now 13 is a common element between those terms, so we are taking 13 as a common factor. 7 into 11 plus 1, 7 into 11 will be equivalent of 77. 77 plus 1 will be equal of 78. We can write 13 into 78 into 1 such that more than 2 factors. So given expression are known as composite number. I hope you understand first part of question. Now we moving for the second part of question. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. I repeat, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. That means 5 is a common element, so we taking 5 as a common. 7 into 6, 5 outside of bracket, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, ठीक है, 5 outside of bracket, that means 1 is remaining. ठीक है, 7 6 42, 4 3 12, 2 1 2 plus 1, 5 into 42, how much? 24 into 1. ठीक है, what is the product between the 42 and 24? Will be equal of 1008. 1008 plus 1 will be equal of 1009. ठीक है, into 1. So again write same statement such that more than 2 factors. Such that more than 2 factors. What is the result of this statement? We can write given expression is a type of composite number. I think you understood both the parts of given question. Thank you so much. Exercise 1.2 complete.